planners, welcome back for another week of exquisite planning here on my channel ExquisiteGlow. So today we are going to be planning the week of the 22nd through the 28th. I am filming on Saturday today, the 20th. I was supposed to film last night, but things got a little busy last night, so I wasn't able to. So I'm going to be doing it today, which is the 20th. But I did want to show you my spread here for this week that I didn't film. I really like how it turned out. It worked out really nice for me. And the nice thing is that I use stickers from the Happy Planner, actually, from Michaels. And I just want to make sure to use those stickers because I did spend money on buying them and might as well apply them into my Erin Condren Planner, even though they're not really fit to size. But honestly, it only goes over by just a little bit into the next header here. So that's not a problem. So I'm actually going to be doing the same thing for this week since I didn't film it last week. And what I did with my stickers is I actually put them in this ringed binder. I don't really like this here, but I mean, I guess it works. I don't know. It's still not perfect, but it's the best I can do for now on how to organize these stickers. I try to kind of keep everything like together as to like, you know, like checklists and stuff, and food items are in the front, grocery, you know, things like that. So yeah, so I try to do that in here. So anyways, I'm going to be taking stickers from this binder here that I put together for this week's plan with me. All right, so to get started, I am going to go in with some checklists. I used these ones last week. I think I will go with maybe the green ones this week. And I'm just going to put them all the way across. Alright, so I have all of my checklists there. I'm gonna go back in here and look for the ones that say like to do and stuff. So I'm going to use these ones here. So we have the to-dos all the way across. All right, so I'm going to use my work stickers. Then I'm gonna go to the back of my planner here. And I'm going to use these, 2 of these. I'm actually laying these down because I'm actually really keeping track of what I'm eating because I joined a challenge, a working out challenge for 30 days. And we are kind of restricted as to what we can eat. So I really have to like plan out what I'll be eating for the week. For this, I'll just put the grocery shopping cart here because that is when I'll be grocery shopping on Saturday. Now I know that usually we would put a weekend banner here for the weekend, but I'm actually gonna put this one, which is more motivating. It says, stay positive, especially right now during this challenge that I'm participating in. Now I'm actually gonna add this here. Even though I already put that stay positive, I think it'd be kind of cute if I also put the weekend banner on it. Stay positive weekend. Right, so like I said, we have to pay the water bill on Thursday. So I'll use one of these bill pays for Thursday. I like to do my chores on Thursday. DirecTV needs to be paid on the 27th, which is this one. Then I also have some quotes here that I can put here on the side. Last week I used the Get It Girl. This one I will use this one here, which is Boss Lady. Alright, and then this one here, Work Hard and Dream Big. I'll just put this one here. Alright, and that is going to complete my plan with me for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram at exquisite_planning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much.